Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have kind of a smaller haul for you from Every Minute a Story. Okay, so this shop is new to me. I just quickly fell in love with them, so I have 3 separate orders, and today is currently Sunday, so I also placed a 4th order on their pre-sale. So their things are so adorable. They kind of remind me of emojis and munchkins, so I feel like that's why I kind of fell in love with them. But I want to do a haul, and I will go from every order that I've done, so like in order of the orders, if that makes sense. So first up was a very tiny order. This was their anniversary bundle, like leftovers, overstocks. So I went on there, and first of all, the freebie is gone. It was this little freebie, and this one's even like halfway gone, but it was this exact freebie from, I don't know, I used it in my Stalogy. So it was that, and then it was this journaling card. So you can see the like washi swatches here, but this was the journaling card that came with my order, which is so adorable, and I taped it in here, of course, for memories. But here are the washi tapes, and then here are the swatches. So this is gonna be kind of easier to just go through everything. But yeah, they're like planner themed, and they're so adorable. So there are those. And then the next thing I picked up were these little stamps. So I have kind of stamped them. So again, I'll pull my journal over here and I'll show you. This was like my stamp test page, and here's one of them. So it's really cute. I do have plans to do a stamp collection and stamp with me type video, but I am waiting for my Once More with Love pre-sale order to come in. But after that, I will be hauling the pre-sale, and then I will do that stamp with me video. So stay tuned for that. That'll be super exciting. And the last thing from this order was just this little pocket. So I kind of like using these here and there for different things, but I really love this one. So yeah, that was my first order, and then I quickly scanned their site and found like a ton more of things that I wanted. Hence comes in my second order. So first of all, the freebies. This was the same exact freebie I got the first order, and then I got this cute little card, as well as this card that again is in my journal that I tipped in this time because I love this back. So I got 3 freebies with that order, which was very generous of them. And then I have a ton of things. So this was a quite, like, it was more expensive, way more expensive than the first one. But we have this cute little, like, hand-cut vinyl that they called it, but it's a little, she calls hers beanies. So there's beanies, munchkins, and emojis, but they all look kind of similar, and they're all really cute. I love how the beanies head is a little more wide. And then these are some stickers. They're really adorable. I didn't expect them to be this small, but that's my fault for not looking at like sizing, but I'd have purchased them anyways. They're really adorable. So I purchased those stickers. And then these 3 are die cuts, and they coordinate with another few things that I purchased. So have the die cut package, and then I purchased the 2-piece sticker kit because I do plan on using this in my journal, so I didn't need all 4 pages. And then I also purchased the 2 washi tapes. I really love these. I'm probably going to use these in the winter time. They look more winter. This one's kind of fall though, so I might use this one in the fall time. So yeah, I love the look of this kit. It's really adorable and cozy. So I purchased that. And then we can continue with our kits, and then we'll go through all the other stickers. But I purchased this like space themed 2-page kit. And I also purchased 2 sets of space themed washi. She had the 2 available on her shop, so I purchased both. And they both kind of go with this, so I will use them both when I set up my journal that week. And then this one I actually purchased to coordinate with my first set of washi from my first order. So I'll be able to use that in my journal when I plan on using that. So have a ton of washi already and a ton of sticker kits. So here's my little collection so far with this after this second order. And let me place that down gently. And then I purchased a few sheets, and honestly they're all kind of samplers. So this is the Inktober 2019 beanies, and I purchased the 2-pack of those, so the full set. And I just really wanted a good overview of their stickers just to try out. I love doing that with new shops, like just trying out, trying out their samplers to get a good feel for them. And then this is the best of 2020 beanies. This is the best of $2 specials 2020. So I'm guessing that was $2 specials for 2020. And then this was Inktober 2020 Volume 1 and Volume 2. So these were 2019. This was 2020. And then we have Best of 2021 beanies. Gotta make sure I'm still in frame here. Best of $2 2021 beanies. And then Inktober 2021 Volume 1 and 2. And then we still have some more, but I think these are all journal prompts. So we have this year journal prompts, 10 journal prompts. So this is kind of like the first edition. And then we have journal prompts number 2, journal prompts number 3, and then a reflection journal prompts. So this is a really good starting base, I feel like. I'm excited to dive into these and start incorporating them in some journal spreads. But these were the samplers I could find on their site. So I have all the way back to 2019. Yeah, that was my second order. So tons of goodies there. And then finally, this was, I can't remember. Oh wait, let me show you the swatches. I almost forgot. So these are the swatches from that second order. Those are those cute little, I think they look kind of like Inktober-ish. I don't really know the vibe of her shop yet, or like the ins and outs, but I feel like when it's more like sketched looking like that, it's more Inktober, and then when they're like more solid lines, they're just normal washies, or the normal collection. So yeah, and then, oh yeah, we're done with this. We don't need this journal anymore. My last order was their recent release, which was their little pumpkins. And here was my freebie. I haven't used it yet, but they're really cute. I like them. And then every order got this free journal card. I joined the Facebook group at this point, but I had forgot to insert that code to get the sampler, because they also give you a free like sticker sampler if you insert the code. But on pre-sale today, I remembered to enter it. But okay, so this was quite a big order, so I kind of purchased almost everything. I was really mad because I was waiting all morning for the release, and I purchased and half an hour later than I meant to. And I missed out on the cute little reading pen, but I picked one up during pre-sale, so that is all good. But first up, we have this adorable little pumpkin charm, and let me take it out of here because I want to show you. I got the pink pumpkin with the rainbow, so it's really adorable, and I'm happy to have her. I don't know where I'm going to put that yet, but it's kind of really small. I don't know. Then I picked up I can't remember the name of this one. I think it was the pumpkin, like foil, but it's a little hand cut vinyl, and it's just a little beanie with a pumpkin. And then I got this little beanie sticker with a pillow. And then these are little die cuts. So let me grab these out. There's this die cut, that one, and then a little planning desk, a fall themed one. And then I only purchased the Polaroid sticky notes. I really like these ones. The other ones just, I don't know. I felt like I could go without them. And then this is a little washi card that I plan on putting the washi tapes on just for like decoration. This is my first fall themed purchase of the year, so that's exciting. I got the 2-page sticker kit. I think this is gonna kind of be my thing, to purchase these to put in my memory journal, and then I can use like the washi tapes along with them. So this was this was a single washi tape, and then this came as a set, and they're just really pretty. And I actually did my swatches on the back of this journaling card because I'm going to insert it in my journal for the day I got it. But I love these washi tapes. And I also put one of the sticky notes on there. So yeah, this is really adorable. And then the last few things from this entire haul and from this purchase were these 4 sticker sheets. So I got the self-care bucket list. It's more like fall themed. The Hello Pumpkin beanies, and I actually used one of these. It was just one of the pink ones. These fall planning desks. And these fall in love banners. So yeah, I quickly fell in love with this company, and the best thing about this company is they ship from New York, and I'm in Michigan, so whenever my order ships, it comes the day after. Oh, okay. So like, let's say my order ships on a Wednesday, my order will be out for delivery on that Friday. So that is amazing. I always have to wait a super long time for Once More with Love and Coffee Monsters Coast orders, because they ship from the British Columbia and Canada, and then they come down in like Washington, so then they have to travel all the way over, and sometimes they get stuck in LA, so that's unfortunate. But I'm glad to have found another like sticker shop that in my eyes is very similar to the other two. But look at, okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold them all, but this is now my washi collection. It's insane, but I cannot wait to keep growing it, because this is definitely a company that I'm going to continue shopping from. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week with more videos. Bye.